Okay. So, hello, I'm Shiny Paul, a student of MS in data science, semester one at Delana University, and here I am presenting coding for mini project, and that is in Python programming hand-in assignment. So let's start. Here we are. This Python programming defines basically a class team which presents a youth hockey team in an object-oriented manner. So firstly, what we did, that is, yeah, we can now start. Yeah, so we need to in that team.py file, I have created only one class. Before that, we need to import that necessary modules. So what are the modules? So two modules are there, that is date time and WID. What exactly they did? So this module helps track when a team was created, and this EWID. It generates a unique identifier, that is ID, for the team, for each team, to ensure that every team has a distinct identification. So next is the class. Here I have created a class called team. So it's very necessary. So this class is defined to represent a hockey team with essential attributes such as ID, creation date, team name, type, that is team type, whether it is boys or girls, payment status, and fee amount. So under this team, what we have created, that is, it is init. So init basically is a constructor method. You can say it initialization method. So under this, in it there are attributes. So basically init method is a constructor method automatically called when a new team is here, when a new team object is created. It basically initialize the attributes of the class with provided values. So what are the attributes here? Two private attributes are there and four public attributes are there. So what are the private attributes? So here self ID and self date. These two things, like ID, the self ID. This is a unique automatically generated integer ID using this thing, like as you can see here. And for the date, it is basically stores the current date and time when the team is created using this thing. Okay, so for the creation date and time. So these two ID and date, these attributes are private attributes, and the rest of it are all the public attributes. So these private attributes ensure that they cannot be modified after creation. This is a very important point. And next one is this four, like self, name, team type, fee paid, fee amount. These are public attributes storing the team name, team type, boys or girls, fee paid status, and fee amount. Okay. The next one is the property. So this is the thing. This is the getter method for ID and date encapsulation. So this getter method allows access to ID without modifying it. For ID and for date, it basically provide access to the date attribute, ensures that it cannot be changed after the team is created. Okay, so the next one is all these things we are doing under the class. Okay, so the next method is update team method. What is basically it is doing, method updating a team information. So for team information, this method updates selective attributes of the team, and it uses optional parameters, meaning the user can update any field while leaving other unchanged. Okay, so this is the thing. And the next and on addition, see, if name self name equal to name, if team type self team type equal to team type, if fee paid is not known, so self fee paid is equal to fee paid, and fee amount self fee amount equal to fee amount. So if a new value is provided, like not now or not known or not empty, the corresponding attributes is updated with that. So the next method is the str method. Str method is a string representation method. So this is called a magic method. So it is basically allows to print function to display meaningful information about the team. And we can see here that, okay, this is the thing, and it returns a formatted string with all the team details. So this is the thing, and let's go into the main section of the programming. So as it is mentioned that we can use user interface as the main program to run. So I did the same, like I made this user interface as the main program to run. So under this I have created only one class called team manager. Under this class I have introduced all the methods to work on it. So basically, I have created the class named Team Manager. It basically acts the man as the manager for head handling multiple teams. It performs CRUD. CRUD is like create, read, update, and delete operations on a team object. So under that, it is here exact again that initialization like as I told in the previous team.py file that in it, and this is a contributed what exactly it is doing here. If self team we are talking about under this contributor self team, it is basically a dictionary to store teams with unique IDs as keys. Okay, so keys means for unique team ID, like team.id, and value like team object. So the next is and on addition, this dictionary to store, this dictionary basically allows efficient searching, updating, and deleting items or team, just like teams. Okay, so the next is method is create team. So by doing this, it is basically used for creating a team. And then this method creates, see here we can see that this method creates a new team object and stored it in self team. The team class imported from team.py obviously generates a unique ID for each team, and it returns basically created team object. See, return created team object. The next one is the read team. Read team. It is basically used for retrieving a team. Retrieving a team, basically it looks for a team by ID in the dictionary, and it returns the team object whether if whether it found, otherwise team not found. See, return self team get, otherwise team ID is showing team not found. Okay, and the next one is the update team. This method is basically modifying team details, like retrieving the team by ID, calls update team from the team class to modify details. Otherwise it will return the confirmation messages. What are the confirmation messages? Just like team updated successfully, it is a confirmation message, and team not found, it is also a confirmation message. Okay, so the next one would be the delete team. So in case it is just same like update team, just like before, like it's removing a team. It basically used for removing a team. It deletes a team by ID if it is if it is existing, and otherwise it returns like confirmation message like the team deleted successfully, just like previous is updated successfully, it is deleted successfully, and otherwise team not found. Okay, and the next is list team. It is basically using for displaying teams. If team type is providing, for example, like girls team or boys team, if it is specifying like whether it is girls or boys, so it filter teams based on the type. okay, based on the type here. And if team type is not provided, it returns all the team, like all together, girls plus boys, if it is not mentioning or distinguishing whether it is girls or boys. So now the main part of the programming is like main programming command line interface, we can call it like CLI. So this is the thing we just define it, like if name equals main, so it is a main program. So here we are basically going to print whatever we are having, we want to have after running successfully the result of the coding or result of the programming, you can say. So it a menu based interface. So here we are creating the menu, what exactly we want to have after running. So here I have created seven options or seven choices, just like print hockey team manager. The next was, if we choose one, it will show create team. If we choose two, it will show read team. Three, list team by types and list all teams, update team. Six for delete team. Seven for exit the program. So choice will be yours. And see, I have here shown, like if our choice is one, two, three, four respectively, so we will having these set of things after getting our choice done or run successfully. So I can show you here whether my program runs or not. So let's start here. The whole thing like hockey manager, team manager, it is done. Let's choose one options, like one, enter the name of the team is A, girls, like it's girls. And paid, yes, paid. How much paid? Like 1,000 kron. So it has created, the team has created with ID. Let's copy the ID first. Again, choose two. Then we need to enter the team ID. So then paste it. And see here, I have created the team name A, and it's for girls stream team. And fee paid, yes, and 1,000 kron. So it has created the ID like this. It has created the ID like this. This one is the ID. If I choose the option three, and yeah, again the next one is I put the boys, and enter the boys, yes. So just like that we can go further. Or again we can create like, sorry, we can create like option 2. No, we have to create we have to create. So it is showing the girls. Sorry, I have made a mistake. And if I choose one, so we need to create another team like B, and B for boys. Football is paid, yes, and is 2,000 kron. So it again creates the another ID. Let's copy it. And whenever you are pressing here two, option two, you need to put the ID, and it will show the boys group. Likewise, you can put all the things just to check. So this is the thing. Thank you so much. This is all for the programming. Thank you so much.